On to the next part of this chapter. So as well as you've got y equals mx plus c, you also can write equations of straight lines in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. The questions often say give it in the form of y equals mx plus c, give it in the form of this, and obviously if it asks you to do that, you must do it or you'll lose marks. Example 3 asks us from these equations to work out the gradient and intercept on y-axis. Well, the first one, part A, is just stupidly easy. And all we just do is compare it to y equals mx plus c. So the coefficient of x, number in front of x is the gradient, the number at the end is where it crosses the y-axis. When you've got y as the subject, y equals, it must be 1y or just y equals, not 2y or 3y. So in this question, the gradient is -3, crosses the y-axis at 2. B, in order to use the same technique, we need to make y the subject. So the first thing to do is wipe the -3y over, and we'll get 4x plus 5 equals 3y. And then divide it by 3, we have 4/3 x plus 5/3 equals y. Now because y is the subject, the number in front of the x is the gradient, and the other number is c, where it crosses the y-axis. Example 4. In example 4, you're asked to change them from y equals mx plus c form to this form, ax plus by plus c is 0. So we need to make it equal to 0, and you ideally want a to be positive, so you want the number in front of the x to be positive. So these two can stay on this side. All we need to do is wallop y over. So 0 equals 4x minus y plus 3. That's it, done. B. This time we're going to move both of these over to this side, and that way x will be positive. Now, very often you'll also say a, b and c are integers, so we don't really want this fraction here. So before we do anything else, I'm actually going to double everything and make it 2y is minus x plus 10. Remember to double every single thing, and now both of them are going to move over, giving me x plus 2y minus 10 equals 0. On to example 5. Example 5 gives us y equals 4x take away 8, and we're asked to work out where it crosses the x-axis. Well, along the x-axis, y is 0. So it crosses the x-axis when y is 0. So 0 equals 4x take away 8. 8 equals 4x, x equals 2. So it crosses the x-axis at 2, 0. Okay, now have a go now, exercise 5b.